What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at a TaoTronics product. Now these ones are the TaoTronics ANC Bluetooth headphones. They have dual 40mm drivers. They're saying that it has powerful bass, and I'm quoting, expect aggressive bass with balanced mid-levels and bright highs. So my expectations are high. Now, they do run off of Bluetooth 4.2. The active noise cancellation, they're saying, is so good that you're gonna have your own personal oasis of quiet. Nice. You know, I love a good carrying case. Fantastic. Very nice, heavy duty. Feels pretty solid. Ooh, those are nice looking. Add an extended 18 months to your warranty. All right, so we got a couple cables here. We got about a 4-foot USB to micro USB cable and about a 5-foot 3.5mm cable. So you can go wired or wireless, which is always good. Okay, first off, oh wow, these feel really nice. These feel premium. Oh man, these aren't gonna go wearing out on you in 5 minutes, that's for sure. Wow, look at that. That is super cushiony. That feels like memory foam almost. Now, of course, you can do this so you can store it away for safe travel. It's got a 90-degree swivel, Supersoft Protein Ear Pad. It feels very high quality for sure. It does not feel cheap in any way. Wow, I really like that. Ergonomic Headband, which you can tell, it's got a very nice cushion on the top. I like that. That's a good squeeze. It's a real good squeeze. They're saying that the materials used ensure minimum weight and maximum comfort for long-term wear. It's plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. So they got the extension right there. Very nice. These feel really good. These are like one of the best feeling headphones I've had in my hands in a while. All right, so right here, looks like you got the power switch for the ANC. As you can see, the blue light turned on. You've got your 3.5mm jack right there, so you can plug it in and hardwire it. On the right ear cup, you've got the micro USB port for charging, and you have your basic controls, so pause, play, forward, back. Where's the microphone? Don't tell me there's no microphone. There's gotta be a microphone. Okay, so the microphone is somewhere over here. That's what they're saying. I don't know, I don't see it. Maybe it's in the crack or something. I don't know. Let's try them on though. Oh yeah. Oh, I like these a lot. Oh, they're not really big, but they cover the ear nice and comfortably. That protein leather, that protein right there, it's so cushiony, it's so soft. I don't see my ears getting sore at all from these. Oh, these feel really nice. All right, let's flip on that ANC. Whoa. Hello? Wow. Wow, that's really active. That's even shutting off my voice some. So I can hear central air flowing. I can hear fans going. As soon as I turn on the ANC, they are not lying. The sound that I'm hearing just by itself, and then as soon as I start talking, my imagination says that I am in this white void. Like whenever the time Stewie and Brian from Family Guy went to the multiverse and they went to the all-white universe. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing in my head right now as I'm hearing this. This is crazy. That's really good. All right. Turn that off. All right, so I'm gonna power it on. Power on. You're supposed to say pairing. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it doesn't even say pairing mode. It just goes straight into it. So there we go, the TaoTronics TT-BH22. It's got some good sound. I'm gonna flip the ANC on. Wait a minute. Whoa. When I turn the ANC on, the sound, it sounded like it got more powerful. Very weird. Yeah, it got it's like a little bit louder. All right, so ANC usually, when I hit the ANC while I'm listening to music, it usually has like an adverse effect toward the music. This time it didn't. It actually sounded like it kind of boosted the power of the music just a little bit. Very interesting. Okay, let's see what it's got in the bass department. It's a very smooth, excuse me. It's a very smooth bass. I don't know if I would call it powerful. It's very good. It's very well equalized. I hand it to them. It is pretty well equalized, for sure. They weren't lying about that. But powerful bass, when I think powerful bass, I think something that's gonna like shake my brain. You know, I've experienced some of those. I wouldn't say powerful. I would say vibrant. It's vibrant. It is a vibrant bass for sure. And vibrant is not bad. That's not a bad thing. But powerful bass, eh. All right, let's test some quality. Very clear. All right, I'm gonna do a distance test. I'll be right back. All right, I went outside to the supermarket. I never really lost signal. There was a slight jitter, but I went like 50 feet. Very good connection. And I gotta say, clarity-wise, amazing. Amazing. Very, very good. Okay, let's make a phone call. Call my boy Nathan. Hey, you at work? I'll make it quick. I'm testing out some headphones. How do I sound? Do I sound like I'm on something, or do I sound like I'm just talking to you as normal on the phone? Big plus. Yeah, you sound pretty good too. All right, man. I don't want to take up any of your time. You want to say hi to the junkies?
What's going on, junkies?
Okay, well there we go. Phone call was really good. Nathan said that I sounded like I was talking on a phone, which that's always a plus. Super comfortable. They fit perfectly around my ears. These are very comfortable. Shake test, real quick. Not happening. Okay, I love the cushion on here. It's minimal because you see it's not real thick and it's not real wide. It only goes to a certain point, but that's all you need. You don't need a whole bunch of extra big stuff. They're very low profile with the big sound. You can use that, TaoTronics. Low profile with big sound. I really like them. Very simple interface, easy to use ANC, and very functional ANC. Highs and mids, absolutely great. Give them a 9 out of 10. They're really, really good. Very crisp, very clear. Bass, I'm gonna give them, they're saying powerful bass. I can't agree with that, and you know, because they're labeling it as powerful bass, change it to vibrant bass and I'll give it a 9, but for now I'm gonna give it an 8, and that's because it sounds really, really good. Definitely suggest checking them out. If $70 is in your price range and you're looking for some that's got probably $100 sound quality to it, TaoTronics has got it. That's pretty good. I'll leave a link down below as usual, but I leave it in your hands. You guys go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.